type of watch, and to see if you like it or not before you go full investment. You know, and I figured that out with the bronze watch. Like, I thought that I would like the bronze watch more than I did, and it is something that so this is a Tandorio. Let's get lined up a little bit better here. My table's a little off. Tandorio. And so what I like about the Tandoros is you can pay like $10 and get a custom dial, or you can not have no logo on the dial. So that's what I did. And of course this is an homage, and you know, comes in the box, right? Just the regular mumbo jumbo comes in the box, and pretty straightforward. Was that foam? Yeah, pretty straightforward. Nothing. You know, instead of saying this is a Pepsi GMT clone, we're going to say that this is a Mr. Pibbs, Mr. Pibbs GMT clone. How about that? And you can see there's no logo. It does have a Cyclops eye, which you know, as I get a little older, one of the things I wanted to. Okay, that's pretty firm. Of course, I do not like steel braces, so I will remove the bracelet and I will put a. Okay, clicks are nice. Clicks are nice. Here, I'll do you. I don't know if that comes across, but it's look, I already got fingerprints on there. And it does, the bezel goes right up to the top. So this was I think it was like $90. This was $90, and this has the 20mm lugs. Oh, I went past it. 24-hour ring, and then it's a red and black. At first I thought it was blue, but it's a red and black. So it's like, you know, it's sunlight, not nighttime kind of thing. Let's see. Okay. I think I went past it. Let's go around. Okay. Okay. Well, shit, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of a little off. Okay. Do I got any more? What do we got here? We got a little sticky thing. Yeah, I got to peel off all the stuff. No, so no sign crown, which is okay. Which is no sign crown. It does have an open back, so you can see the mechanical movement. Nothing super fancy. I think it's the new Seiko GMT movement. I forget what it is. It's not an NH. Let's see if I can read it on here. I believe it is it's not an NH34. It is a I can't read it, it's too small. Get off all the sticky stuff, and then what I'll do, let's see what kind of clasp we've got on here. I don't see, if we go with the regular regular band, a lot of times I'm out in the cold, and so that's one of the reasons why I don't like stainless steel bands and stuff. Plus, but it seems like it's pretty easy to read, you know. And what I like about Tandoor is, like I was saying, you have those custom, logos. So if I wanted to put, like, you know, Master Traveler or Butt Nugget or, you know, whatever, I could put that on there. So it's you know, and it's like $10, and I think it's $10 for laser, and then it's like $25 for print. So come on, get off there. And this stuff's on there tight. I'm trying to peel it off, but The bracelet is, I can tell that some of the it's okay, it's okay. And then I'm trying to figure out what I need to do to get that off there though. Like I can barely see it. Cause I'll roll with a okay. So this is the NATO. We'll come back to this. This is the I'm sorry. This is not the NATO. This is a GMT, and I wanted to see. Oh, I still got they got plastic all over it. I thought I got it all off. Oh, yeah, they got plastic all over it. And it's polished. It's polished on all the sides. There's no brushing. It's all polished. That's okay because it's designed to see how I feel about a GMT is what it is. That's why I got it. I'll wear it for a couple weeks. I like to rotate through my watches, and you know, yeah. Do they have plastic? Watch. I'm scratching up the. I don't think so. I think this is. Yeah, they got plastic. They got plastic on all the. You got heat shrink basically on all the surfaces. Probably got one here too. Yeah. Man, it's like perfect. I should just leave it on there to be honest, but it's like perfect heat shrink. I don't know how they manage that, but it's impressive. Yeah, it's like perfect heat shrink. Guess that's one way to keep your watch. I should have just left it on there. And now that I know what I'm looking at, um, yeah. But I'm sure there's one on the crown here. But I was like, I don't want to risk it. Looks good though. I like call this the Mr. Pibb version. I do like the black and the red and the anodized red look. You know, I had a little. Oh, here we go. Let's do this. Close this up too. I had a little. See if I can get this off here. And I'll just throw a little NATO on there. I ordered some custom NATOs. Um, come on. I ordered some custom, like some nice NATOs, because usually on AliExpress you can get them for like $1 or $2. I ordered. There we go. There's one. Come on. Come on. This is where like. Come on. I feel like I had it, but so I ordered ones. I paid like $3 for them, and so come on. They got all this tape shit on there, and so it's like. Okay, that's definitely. I wish I could just order it without. I would just order it without. And come on. There it is. There it is. There it is. There's one. I ordered one of those little toolkits, and it came with a bunch of these extra pins. And the problem was is they're so junk that you can't. Okay, that one is. Well, I thought I had it. Like it definitely popped up. Come on. Come on. You can tell that. tell that and so it's like one of those things where it's there it is. Okay, we'll put this in the little box with all the other little bracelets, and then we'll put these back on here. Put these back on here. I can tell that the case finishing, like right here and right here, is not super like polished or refined. Like some of these edges are a little sharp. Let's see if I can read that now. Yeah, I don't see on here. I think it says Tandoria. I don't see. Come on, focus. 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 Okay, whatever. I'll have to look at the instructions. But yeah, the I wanted to see like the GMT. I got some friends that are overseas right now, so I can set it to their time. And this is one of those office GMTs. So I think I bent this pin. Come on. Yeah, this thing looks bent. Thing looks bent. Trying to get this. You know, I'm gonna put a. Oh no, you don't. There it is. There it is. Okay, it's in. We're good. And then always like to snap them from the back side, so that way I don't scratch up the front. You know, not that I'd probably scratch up the back, but it's if I do it from this side, I kind of don't have to worry about accidentally marring the. Come on. Okay, boom, right? Okay, and then like what do we want to put on here? Do we want to do a red strap? We have a red strap. That ought to look pretty good with that, huh? Okay, so how to install a NATO. I can take this and put this stuff aside. And so this is a test bed. That's what this is. I'm looking at this like a test bed because maybe I'll want to, you know, do some custom logos or some custom. I need to figure out the lighting a little better. I need to figure out how. I can go real bright, or I can go, you know. So no logo, Cyclops, fingerprints all over the lens. NATO. 20 millimeter lugs. Okay, that fits good. And I ordered some more straps, like I was saying. I ordered some more straps. Oh, that looks sharp. That looks sharp. And then there we go, right? And then where's my little cloth? Here we go. There's my little cloth. Okay, boom. You know, that looks pretty sharp. I'm okay with that. And then let's see how it feels. So today is the 19th. Today's the 19th. Let's see. Oh, okay. That was oh, it's already turning for me messing with it. Okay, it winds good. It winds real good. Yeah. Cyclops is nice too. It's super easy to read. Cyclops is trying to get that little flare just right. Cyclops is really nice to read. Okay, let's see. Man, it's hard to beat the Seiko. Okay, there's the hand. So today's we'll go to the 18th, and then I'll roll it over 17th. Super easy to read the, let me see here. Okay, so that's the hour hand. So it's 7:18 right now. 7:18, 6. Well, we'll roll it over. Oh, not changed. Okay. Okay, we got to roll it over. Oh, they're both moving together. Okay. Interesting. Are they supposed to? You can see the little rubber seal in there too. I'm accidentally hitting it. Okay. Okay, it's getting ready to switch over. Let's see. Let's see. Boom. So 5 minutes early. It switched over 5 minutes early. Okay. It's okay. So here's our first 7. Okay, there's 6 a.m. Six, 7, 19. So 20, 15, 19. Okay. So let me see something here. Let's see here. Let's see. What time is it in Korea? 0. Okay. Let's see here. So Korea time is 11:19 a.m. So how am I going to do this? Oh, there we go. So if I go this way, I gotta figure out how to do this GMT. I think I gotta go this. Okay. Oh, there it is. Got a kind of physical click too. So yeah, I gotta only go one way. So I said 11. And they're 14 hours ahead. So that is, what did I say? Or what did I say? Let me see here. Yeah, 11:19. So that's 11:19 on the red hand. Okay. Well, it kind of jumped on me. I can feel myself like passing it. It's like jumping past it. Okay, there's top one. There's one in. I passed it. Okay, that should be. No. There it is. Yeah, it clicked over. Okay. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah. Well, that crown, that with that protector, that crown's kind of hard to wind. Okay. Okay. So this is a test bed for the GMT to see how I feel about the GMT movement. But that looks pretty sharp. Okay, and then I think I just wiped it down, and then I'm putting fingerprints all over it again. So, I think with the bezel, okay.